Hey guys! Welcome to Miss Binary Trading. Here we talk only about binary options, no boring theory or extra fluff. In every video, I show real trades, share strategies, break down signals, and explain in simple words how to make money with binary options. If you want to really understand the market and trade with confidence, stick around till the end, it's going to be interesting. Want more accurate signals? Today I'll walk you through the accuracy indicators inside a vfxAlert signal. Let's start with the power indicator. The more bars are filled in power, the higher the accuracy. That's why I filter signals and only take those with at least 3 bars of power. That was the easy part. Now let's get into something a little trickier. Signals also have a heat map scale. To confirm a signal for a 1-minute trade, you need to check the heat map color on M1 and M5, and for extra confidence, also on M15. The colors on the 3 nearest indicators should all be green. Why green? Because green means the signal accuracy is above 70%. That's exactly what it says on the vfxAlert website, and I'll leave the link in the description. Now, on this signal, the heat map colors are mixed across all time frames, which means the price direction is changing. In other words, the signal isn't reliable and the price could flip at any moment. So let's test this rainbow signal instead of the green bars. I'm pretty sure it's going to be false. Let's open the trade and wait. Oops, forgot to switch the stake back to $1. Honestly, it's fun to watch these kinds of signals. Sometimes they look super convincing, but the result is the complete opposite. By the way, let me know in the comments, how often do signals work for you and what filters do you use? Personally, I'm still testing different setups. Sometimes I only take strong signals, other times I even try the doubtful ones, like right now. Also tell me in the comments, what do you usually do while waiting for trades to close? I sometimes just watch the candles and think about my next entries. Oh, and don't forget, subscribe to the channel because there are lots of interesting breakdowns ahead. And hit the like button. That's the best way to support me. I also run a Telegram channel where I post every day, so come join. It's really cozy there. The link is in the description. And this video actually cost me $10 today. Don't repeat my mistakes! Thanks for watching till the end. See you in the next one.